Good morning, family. I'm Stephanie Wade. I'm Habasia. I'm also the one and only what? Creole Grill Test. And I am coming from the Mothership in the Gambia, my bedroom. It reminds me of a tree house, y'all, because I'm among the trees, the way this apartment is situated. And the birds are waking me up as usual in the morning. And I'm just wanting to share it with y'all. I started off in my room so y'all can see I still have the lights. It's Africa, y'all. You just be happy for the little things sometimes, yeah. Like I say, this sister that's written out this Airbnb has to get her little stuff together and get her a generator for when the lights go off. But I'm telling y'all, the specialness of the birds singing in the morning is making this stay priceless. So I'm going to share a little bit with y'all, okay? It's before sunrise again. Look at that sky, y'all. The Most High has done it again. This is the view from the other bedroom window, the other side of it. I decided to come downstairs to finish off this video, because y'all know I like the way this front yard looks too at this Airbnb. When my time is up, I won't be here again, so just have to enjoy it. Just love all the beautiful flowers that's here. That's the entrance. That's where we'll be sitting. I'm just trying to give you something from my vision. Can't guarantee the birds gonna sing every minute, but you know they're at home, y'all. You just have to listen closely, because they're still singing. Well, guys, it's always a matter of perspective to what you see and what you hear. I wanted to just give y'all a little bit more of what I see on a daily basis. Like I say, it's almost paradise, but it's still here on earth, even though I do have a mothership to start off in. You can always see the blessings in every situation. It's there to teach you a lesson. It's just you have to figure out what the lesson is. So anyway, y'all, I hope this was something that could help make your day a little brighter, make you smile a little bit. I know it did wonders for me. Just sitting here feeling the breeze, y'all. It's like priceless. And being in some place where I have my own apartment, I'm sharing it with my sister. But it's like being at home, y'all. Like being at home with a landlord that It's a landlord job. They got all kinds of them. But anyway, the place itself is good. Anyway, I still have to do other things in my day, y'all. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. What you're waiting on is free. Like, comment, share down below. Give me a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell so you know whenever I load up a video. Even if I have to pray over the video, y'all, I'll be trying to upload videos for y'all. I am not monetized. It will happen or not happen in due time. But in the meantime, y'all, I'm doing what I love. I'm telling my stories to, number one, Lyle's mother, my cousin Lyle's mother, and then who all else? All of my Habasia family, all of my friends, all of my subscribers. Yeah, you, and maybe you, if you subscribe. It's free, y'all. It's free. What you waiting on? I don't know. So anyway, y'all, I have other things to do later on in the day. So just keep staying tuned to my videos. I hope you watch them all the way through. Because some people seem like me giving me comments like they haven't even finished watching the video. Like giving me comments that's repeating exactly what I said. Like they never heard me say it in the video. I'm like, what is this person's problem? You need to actually listen to the whole video, not just read the title and watch it for about a half a minute or something. You know, just relax. I'm in Africa. Listen to my stories. Just enjoy. It's not costing you nothing. So just relax, enjoy. Maybe you'll learn something from what I'm saying. I'm motivated by my ancestors, y'all. I actually hear what I'm saying in entirety when I'm editing a video. It's not scripted, y'all. So until next time, what? Peace. Peace. Power to the people. And I'm out, y'all. Bye.